In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can fix zoom in screen on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So you have to use your 3 fingers to drag the screen here and there if you're using the zoomed in feature. So you simply have to find the settings app and click the settings app, and we're going to bring you to this page. Now use your 3 fingers to drag the screen and move down, and then you have to click this accessibility option. Once you click the accessibility option, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click this zoom option, and now it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you simply have to turn this option off. That is the zoom option. Just click this option and turn it off, and it's going to turn off the zoom option. And that's how you fix the zoomed in screen on your iPhone. To activate or deactivate the zoom option once it's turned on, you simply have to just double click on your screen using your 3 fingers, and it's going to just activate or deactivate it. But to completely turn it off, you simply have to turn this option off that says zoom. And that's how you do it.